Hi, Judd here. We got it jacked up. Woo. And there's my drive pulley, which just slipped right off the motor as I pulled it up there. And I've just got to make sure I put it back on before I fully seat the engine. Get that back on the pulley and back in onto the drive shaft. And we're underneath now. Let's see what we got. So there's the drive pulley. Okay, that's steering. That's dirty. Okay, that's the brake pedal with pivots on this arm. And behind that, this here is the shaft that's supposed to lock into a hole over here. And it just won't line up, so I've got to line that up. What the hell has got it out of line? I'm going to have to clean out over here. And right here, there's where the lower mower bed attaches. Those two arms that we took off. And up here is where the front ends attach. Here's the plug to the electronic engager for the drive for the mower blades. There's your transmission, obviously. What was the other thing that wasn't working? Oh, I gotta find where that adjustment arm piece goes that I found, the extra piece. And I don't see anywhere down here. So that's probably gotta go somewhere on the deck, because all the pieces that look like that are on the deck. So I'm gonna clean that out and try to straighten out this arm right here, because that is not engaging in the hole over there. You can see it ain't even close to aligning. This is the handle that goes up through the deck and is accessible from the seat to engage the lock on the parking brake. The problem is the angle of that handle does not pull this in the direction it needs to engage in that hole. It pivots on this hole right here, and it's got a double bend in it down here that when it's engaged locks this bar from releasing the parking brake here. You see, from down here I can easily, almost easily, get it into that hole. But from up there, the pull on it is not such that it directs it into the hole. But now I know that it can get into the hole if I pull it just the right way. Okay, so that problem is solved. So now I'm going to hose the thing down with WD-40. So we need to see where this could possibly be. I don't know. And we'll leave that here. I think that's about it. Okay, I'm going to show you something here. I've got this engaged right now, but if I disengage it, I still cannot re-engage it from the top side. Okay, taking it out from the top side. I cannot get it back in there from the top side. There's just no way to make it work from the top. Put on there. Okay, so clear and off. Okay, so we're going to lock it into place. I'm going to take my clamp off. And you can see the brake is still on. Now I'll pull the brake off. Release the lock. Boom. And the brake fully disengages. Okay, so that's fixed. Aha! And it was in the wrong hole, which is really weird, because like I said, they got two holes for everything. Well, it's got to be in the bottom hole on this side and the top hole on this side, which is just so wrong, but that's what's right. So that's set, and I've given up on trying to find where that other piece goes. I'm going to assume that came from another mower I had. Ha ha ha. And so next time out, we'll start to lower the motor in and attach that pulley and belt up here. There you go. That's it for today. I'm going back to bed. Happy day to you.